Dear friends and dear students, today I am going to teach a new topic about energy in our daily life by SKS. First of all of you, we know about what is energy. Simple, we should know about the energy. Energy means what? The ability or capacity. The ability or capacity to do work is known as the energy. Let us suppose many people have more energy, some people have less energy. It means that some people, those people who have more energy, he or she can do a more amount of work. If anybody have less amount of energy, low energy, then he or she can do only less amount of energy. He or she can do only few work. So in this lesson, we are mainly going to discuss you about the energy. Energy means the capacity or ability to do work is known as the energy. And joule is the SI unit of energy. Joule is the SI unit of energy. Joule is the SI unit of energy. Mathematically, work, you have to hear written as the work. Work means that the product of force and displacement of a body. The product of force and displacement of a body in the direction of a force applied is known as the work. Now, the SI unit of work is also joule. The SI unit of work and energy both are same. Now, the second topic one is that different forms of energy. Different forms of energy. It means that we can also easily learn different forms of energy in simple word. Just I have written here simple word. From this simple word you can learn and you can easily learn about the different forms of energy. Now first is mechanical energy. The second one is electrical energy, magnetic energy, chemical energy, heat energy. The next one is light energy, sound energy, nuclear energy, gravitational energy. Now these all are the different forms of energy. These all are the different forms of energy. Now you have to hear that is the chemical energy, burning candle. When candle were not burning, and at that condition there is a chemical energy is stored in a candle. After when burning the candle, then it produces what? Light energy first of all. Then it convert into heat energy. It means that there is a transformation of energy. It means that there is a transformation of energy. Transformation of energy means the process of transferring energy from one form to another form is known as a transformation of energy. The next one is the mechanical energy. You can also learn about the mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means the energy possessed by an object. The energy possessed by an object with virtue of its motion and position is known as the mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means there is a combination of potential energy and chemical energy. There is a combination of potential energy and chemical energy. Now, the same condition, the body may be also position or body may be also in motion. This is a combination of chemical and potential energy. Now, you have to also learn about the second next alternative definition, the total sum of the kinetic and potential energy. The total sums of a kinetic and potential energy of a body is known as the mechanical energy. The total sums of potential and chemical energy, total sums of potential and kinetic energy is mechanical. Now you have to have listen to the motion. You have to look at motion is written. Then after position, you have to know on a rest. If a body is said to be at rest, if it does not change its position with respect to surrounding position is known as rest. The next one is the motion. If a body changes its position with respect to its surrounding position is known as the motion. Now we have to hear mathematically. Mathematically, mechanical energy is equal to the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Now, for example, at a rest, a hammer contains only some amount of potential. Here, there is one clear example. It means saying that a hammer contains only some small amount of potential energy. When we swing a hammer, when we upward hammers with some distance or some height before hitting a nail, before hitting a nail, at that condition the hammers comes into motion. The hammers come into what? Motion, and the motions and hitting a nail, then kinetic energy comes into play. In this situation, we can also there is a combination of both potential and kinetic energy. Now, there is the different types of there are mainly two types of potential and mechanical energy. One is potential energy and next one is the kinetic energy. Now we are going to show you about the potential energy. Potential energy means the energy possessed by due to position of a body. The energy possessed by due to position of a body is known as the potential energy. Now, for example, then the energy possessed by due to the position. Position is what? The body or energy at the rest condition. That is known as the potential energy. A rock lying at the edge of a cliff. This is also a rock, a small amount of rock lying in the mountain, top of the mountain, bending, and now the energy possessed due to the position of a body. Position means when a body at rest condition, rest condition, that means the position of a body. A rock lying at the edge of a mountain, bending or compressed. When the spring are bent